and welcome to Science is the Bomb with Mrs. Holderbaum. Remember, scientists like to explore, scientists like to ask questions, scientists like to do experiments to see what happens and why things happen. So today for our science experiment, I call this one Fishing for Ice Cubes. And here are the things that we're going to need for today's experiment. We're going to need some salt. So I have my salt shaker. We're going to need some cups to put some ice in. I have some big ice cubes and I have some crushed up ice cubes. We're going to need some water. You might be able to just do this in your kitchen. And you're also going to need some string to go fishing for your ice cubes. All right. So here's how to do the experiment. First, in 1 cup, I'm going to fill this one up with big ice cubes. I'm using big ice cubes and I'm going to use crushed ice cubes just because I want to see which way works better, like with big ice cubes or with crushed ice cubes. So in this cup, I'm going to put a whole bunch of crushed ice cubes. I'm going to fill that up. Here we go. And now I'm going to add a little bit of water. So it's kind of like you're making a glass of ice water. So I'm going to put some water in all the way up so it's just about covering all the ice. So I'll add some water. There, right up to the top. So it's just about covering the ice cubes. Now, I'm going to give it a try and see if when I go fishing for ice, I'm going to see if I can catch any ice cubes. I lay down my string. I lift it up. Nope, I don't catch any ice cubes. None of the ice cubes are sticking to the string. Well, I wonder what would happen if I add some salt. Let's see what happens. I think I'm going to leave, when you do this, just kind of leave your string, kind of curl it up, and lay it on top of your ice cubes so that it's touching some of the ice cubes. I'm going to do it with both cups just because I want to see which works better, the big ice cubes or the little crushed up ice cubes. So you want to make sure your string is touching the ice cubes a little bit. Now we're going to sprinkle in some salt. Now, sometimes in the winter, you might hear somebody say when it's snowy outside and the roads are icy, you might hear somebody say, like, I wonder if they salted the roads. And you might be wondering, why are they putting salt on the icy roads? Well, it's because salt, when it touches ice, it melts the ice a little bit. All right? So when I put the salt on the ice cubes in here, it's going to melt the ice just a little bit. Now, we're going to wait for, I think we're going to count. Sometimes you can give this just a little tug and see if anything's happening. Let's count to 20 and then give it a try and see if we catch any ice cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Now I'm going to carefully, kind of slowly lift up my string and I'm going to see if I catch some ice cubes. I think I might. I feel like it's kind of coming up. I might wait for a few more seconds. Let's see. I kind of lifted this one up. I feel like it's kind of sticking a little bit. Ooh, it looks like some of them are coming up. Look at, guys. Ooh, look at. I caught some ice cubes. Oh my gosh, look at. It looks like I got all of them that were in the cup. I caught some ice cubes. Let's put it back in. Let's see if this one's working now. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it is. Look at all those crushed ice cubes. It worked about the same. Look at that. It caught the ice cubes. What happens is when you add the salt to the ice, it makes the ice melt just a little bit. But because the ice is still frozen, it refreezes. And when it refreezes, you catch the ice cubes because then it sticks to the string when the ice refreezes. So why don't you guys give it a try at home? Remember, you put ice cubes in the glass, add some water. First, see if you can catch some ice cubes without the salt. Then lay your string on top, add some salt, count to about 20, and slowly lift your string up. If you start lifting your string and you don't catch any, count to 20 again and then try again. Maybe it might take a little bit longer. Give it a try, see what you find out. And if you do the experiment, you can let me know on our Canvas page or post a picture too. All right, kids, thanks for watching Science is the Bomb with Mrs. Holderbaum. Have fun trying to catch some ice cubes in Fishing for Ice Cubes today.